Today I'm going to show you how to rehydrate a 5-day-old bagel. Very hard bagel. We're going to see if we can make it almost like fresh. First thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your bagel, you're going to wet a paper towel, and then you're just going to wrap the bagel in the paper towel. So you make sure it's all covered, and then you're going to stick it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Now it's out of the microwave, we're gonna unwrap it, we're gonna cut it and put it in the toaster oven or your toaster. The inside feels a little moist. Obviously you can't tell on the camera itself, but it has some moisture to it. We're gonna toast it and see how it comes out. So wrapping a bagel in the wet paper towel does make it pretty moist, but I'm gonna try another experiment while we're at it, and I'm gonna put another paper towel in between, kind of like a sandwich, and then wrap it again and put it back in there for another 10 seconds. We'll see how that comes out. I haven't tried that part yet, but I want to see if I could get it even more moist. Once again, it's a 5-day-old bagel, so it was pretty hard. Yeah. What?
5-day bagel or 5-bagel bagel?
It's a 5-day-old bagel. All right. This is nice. It's really moist. So this is how it looks. Can't tell, but it is nice and soft. It's pretty moist. So now we're gonna toast it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my lox bagel. I'm gonna add cream cheese, capers, onions, and lox. Check this out, see how I put it together. I took my tooth. Oh, by the way, that a 5-day-old bagel that was toasted and microwaved was still a little hard on the outside as it sat. So I don't recommend 5 days. I recommend 2 to 3 days. 5 days I think is pushing it. The inside was still fine, but if you put it as a sandwich, the outside as it sits, it gets pretty hard. Unless you have really good teeth or really good jaw strength, I recommend maybe not going past 3 days. The 5th day, way too far. Like I said, the inside was nice and soft, but as it sat, the outside got pretty hard and it was a workout. I ate it all, it was really good. It was still tasted beautiful, it didn't taste stale. It's just, it was a little hard. So hope you enjoyed the video. Try it at home.